Ever wondered what the future holds for AI? Today, we're diving into 10 bold predictions that could shape the next decade of artificial intelligence. Get ready to explore the revolutionary changes and possibilities that lie ahead. Number 10. Personalized AI assistants. The evolution of AI will bring forth highly personalized assistants that can understand and anticipate individual needs with remarkable accuracy. These assistants will leverage advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing to offer tailored recommendations, manage tasks efficiently, and provide bespoke content. Imagine an AI that knows your preferences in music, shopping, or even daily routines, adapting its responses and suggestions based on past interactions. This level of personalization will revolutionize how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and responsive to individual lifestyles. Such advancements will not only enhance productivity, but also improve overall user satisfaction by creating a more seamless integration of AI into everyday life. Number 9. AI in healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare will dramatically enhance diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. AI systems will analyze medical data with unprecedented accuracy, facilitating early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. Advanced algorithms will assist doctors in identifying patterns and predicting outcomes, leading to more precise and effective interventions. AI-driven robotic surgeries will offer greater precision and reduce recovery times, while telemedicine platforms powered by AI will extend healthcare access to remote areas. These innovations will lead to improved patient outcomes, streamlined healthcare processes, and a more personalized approach to medical care, ultimately transforming the healthcare landscape. Number 8. Ethical AI development. As AI becomes increasingly embedded in various aspects of life, ethical considerations will gain paramount importance. Developing AI systems with fairness, transparency, and accountability in mind will be crucial to ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly. Ethical AI development will involve creating frameworks and guidelines to prevent biases, protect user privacy, and ensure equitable access to AI benefits. Regulatory bodies and industry leaders will need to collaborate on setting standards that address potential ethical dilemmas and ensure that AI technologies serve the greater good. This proactive approach will help build trust in AI systems and mitigate risks associated with their deployment. Number 7. AI and automation in the workforce. The integration of AI-driven automation in the workplace will reshape job markets globally. By automating repetitive and routine tasks, businesses will achieve greater efficiency and cost savings. However, this shift will also displace certain job roles, necessitating a focus on workforce retraining and upskilling. Workers will need to adapt to new roles that emphasize creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, skills that AI cannot easily replicate. The rise of AI will also create new job opportunities in fields like AI maintenance, development, and ethics. Addressing the challenges of workforce displacement while leveraging the benefits of automation will be key to a smooth transition. Number 6. AI in education. AI is set to revolutionize education by offering personalized learning experiences and enhancing teaching methodologies. AI-driven platforms will create customized learning paths tailored to each student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. Adaptive tutoring systems will provide real-time feedback and support, enabling students to progress at their own pace. This personalized approach will make education more accessible and engaging, accommodating diverse learning needs and improving overall educational outcomes. Additionally, AI tools will assist educators in managing classrooms, identifying learning gaps, and developing effective teaching strategies. leading to a more dynamic and efficient educational environment. Number 5. Advancements in AI creativity. AI's role in creative fields will expand, leading to innovative and boundary-pushing artistic endeavors. AI systems will generate art, music, and literature that challenge traditional notions of creativity. By analyzing vast amounts of existing creative works, AI will produce novel and unique pieces that blend computational power with human imagination. Collaborations between artists and AI will result in new forms of expression and artistic experimentation. This fusion of technology and creativity will not only broaden the scope of what is considered art, but also inspire new ways for humans to engage with and appreciate creative works. Number 4. AI and cybersecurity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, AI will play a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity measures. AI systems will monitor network activity in real time, identifying and responding to potential threats with greater accuracy and speed than traditional methods. Advanced algorithms will analyze patterns and anomalies to predict and prevent security breaches before they occur. AI-driven tools will also assist in developing more robust defense mechanisms and improving overall security infrastructure. By integrating AI into cybersecurity strategies, organizations can better protect sensitive information and maintain the integrity of their digital systems. Number 3. AI in environmental conservation. AI will become a powerful ally in environmental conservation efforts, providing tools to analyze and address complex ecological challenges. AI systems will process large datasets related to climate change, wildlife populations, and natural resource management, offering insights that drive sustainable practices. Predictive models will help anticipate environmental changes and assess the impact of various conservation strategies. AI-powered tools will also optimize resource usage, monitor environmental conditions, and support efforts to combat climate change. By leveraging AI's analytical capabilities, we can develop more effective and targeted approaches to preserving our planet's ecosystems. Number 2. AI and human-AI collaboration. The future will see a shift towards collaboration between humans and AI, with systems designed to complement and enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. AI will act as a partner in various fields, from research and development to creative projects and decision-making processes. This collaboration will harness the strengths of both human intuition and AI's analytical power, leading to more innovative and efficient outcomes. By fostering a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI, we can unlock new possibilities and drive progress in a wide range of industries and disciplines. Number 1. AI and ethical dilemmas. As AI technology advances, ethical dilemmas will become more complex and prominent. Issues such as privacy, autonomy, and the impact of AI on human behavior will need to be carefully addressed. The development and deployment of AI systems will require ongoing dialogue and interdisciplinary research to navigate these challenges. Ensuring that AI aligns with societal values and human rights will be crucial in maintaining public trust and maximizing the positive impact of AI technologies. By proactively addressing ethical concerns, we can guide the responsible evolution of AI and mitigate potential risks associated with its use. Thanks for exploring the future of AI with us. Which prediction excited you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge content. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.